This is Mr. Meyer and this is Mrs. Weber. Mr. Meyer owns a company. Mrs. Weber is from Deutsche Messe AG. Mr. Meyer is thinking about how he can give his next trade fair appearance momentum and attract more visitors to his stand. Mrs. Weber has the right marketing services for every objective. To find out what is important to Mr. Meyer, she asks him about his personal goals for the trade fair. Mr. Meyer wants to gain new customers and meet his existing ones. He wants to increase awareness of his company and exhibit new products. Mrs. Weber tells him about the free visitor marketing services. Before the trade fair, e-tickets can be sent to selected customers and business partners in order to invite them specifically to the trade fair stand. In the shop, 12 weeks before the start of the trade fair, Mr. Meyer can see who of those he invited has registered for tickets. In addition, Mr. Meyer can use the advertising and information material provided free of charge to professionally announce his participation in the trade fair in print and online communications. With the Exhibitor Content Manager, ECM for short, Mr. Meyer can create an attractive company entry and be found via various information channels, such as the website, app, and the printed exhibitor directory. And, last but not least, Mr. Meyer can register his new products and innovative services for the trend spots. Deutsche Messe selects the most interesting topics and edits them into attractive online articles. An extremely popular source of information for journalists and trade fair visitors. Mr. Meyer is thrilled. That's how he wants to do it from now on. No sooner said than done. But Mr. Meyer wants to go one step further. He uses ad leads to electronically record and evaluate all new contacts he has collected at the trade fair, so that leads become customers. Mr. Meyer underpins all of this with a well-coordinated advertising and sponsoring campaign. Deutsche Messe's marketing services make your trade fair appearance a success.